Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So class, as we were in our chapter practical geometry, and today we will do our next exercise, which is based on construction of a triangle when the length of two sides and the measure of the angle in between them are known. So let's start our exercise 10.3. So in first question, what we have to do, we have to construct a triangle DEF such that DE is of 5 centimeter and DF is of 3 centimeter, and the angle EDF is given as 90 degrees. So let's start and see how we have to construct this triangle. First, we have to make a line of 5 centimeter named DE. A line of 5 centimeter DE. So it is line DE of 5 centimeter. Now we have to make an angle of 90 degree from D. So let's take D as the center, and from here we have to make an angle of 90 degree. That means a perpendicular on point D. So now we have to join this point with D, this point with D to have an angle of 90 degree. Name this line PD. Now we have to make DF of 3 centimeter. For this, what we will do? We will take compass and have a gap of 3 centimeter in between the tip of pencil and compass. I have taken 3 centimeter gap in between pencil tip and compass tip. Now I will take D as center and mark an arc on line PD. So let's take D as center and mark an arc of 3 centimeter on PD. Now where this arc will cut PD, this will be our point F. So it is our point F. Now what we have to do? We have to join E and F to have the required triangle. Now this is our required triangle, triangle DEF. In question number 2, we have to construct an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means in which we have given two equal sides and the length of each equal sides is given as 6.5 centimeter. And the angle between these two equal sides is also given, which is 110. So let's see how we have to make this triangle. In second question, we have to draw a isosceles triangle with two equal sides of 6.5 centimeter. So first we will take a line of 6.5 centimeter. This is our first side BC of 6.5 centimeter. Now we have to make an angle of 110 centimeters. So let's use protractor to make an angle of 110 degree. So we have to make an angle. So let's take B as the vertex and make an angle of 110 degree. Join B and this point to have a angle of 110 degree. And name this line as XB, and this is our angle of 110 degree. Now the second line is also of 6.5 centimeter. So let's take the gap of 6.5 centimeter in between the compass tip and pencil tip. So I have taken 6.5 centimeter gap. let's take B as center and mark an arc on line XB. Now where this arc will cut XB, it will be our third vertex of the required triangle. So name it as A and join AC to have the required triangle. So this is our required triangle ABC, which is isosceles with two equal sides of 6.5 centimeter and angle between them is of 110 degree. In question number 3, we have to construct triangle ABC with BC equals to 7.5 centimeter and angle A and side A means CA is given 5 centimeter and angle between these two sides is given as 60 degree. So let's see how we have to construct this triangle. Let's make a line BC of 7.5 centimeter. BC of 7.5 centimeter. So this is our BC of 7.5 centimeter. Then we have to make angle C of 60 degrees. So let's use protractor to make angle C of 60 degree. So it is our angle 60 degree. Now we have to join C and this point to make angle C of 60 degree. And name this line CY and it is our 60 degree angle. Now our next line, which is AC, given in question, is of 5 centimeter. So we have to take a gap of 5 centimeter in between the tip of pencil and compass. Now I have taken the gap of 5 centimeter in between tip of pencil and compass. So I will take C as center and mark an arc on line YC. Where this arc cut this line YC, it will be our point A. Now we will join B and A to have required triangle. So this is our required triangle. Class, today we have learned about construction of a triangle when the length of two sides and the measure of angle between them are given. So class, in our next video we will learn more constructions. Till then, thank you class.